President, Madam Secretary General, Madam Deputy President, fellow delegates, distinguished guests. Nigeria, and surely every other nation in this assembly, would like to prevent any harm and suffering from coming to its people and its population. The delegates of Nigeria would like to stress the suffering and the turmoil that could come to the population of every country in case a military involvement in DPR Korea causes the DPR Korea itself to launch as a last resort or as an act of despair its possible nuclear weaponry of intercontinental reach. For this reason, Nigeria would like to express its belief that more peaceful and diplomatic actions would help resolve this situation in the best possible way.
Are you open to points of information?
Any law.
Are there any points in the House? Peru, you bear the press. Is the delegate of Nigeria aware of the fact that this resolution is a last resort in order to prevent a nuclear war? And after all, if I'm right, this resolution offers a diplomatic solution first and foremost in order to prevent this nuclear war. And then if...
please be more brief, it's a public information.
Yes, I argue that this resolution supports diplomatic conversation and then military intervention. So how do you support?
Yeah, to answer your question, I will also ask everyone else over here how diplomatic and let's say democratic can military, not a military involvement, let's say, the action to try and denuclearize the supply of weapons of DPR Korea. It won't be easy to just, let's say, walk into the country, walk into DPR Korea and say, okay, we will take all your nuclear weapons and all your nuclear weapon plants. This will have to be done through force. So this can't be something diplomatic, according to what the delegation of Nigeria believes. Thank you.
Are you still open?
Yeah, of course.
Are there any points in the House? If not, you bear the mic.
By saying peaceful action. Can you be more specific?
Of course. Like the delegate of China and the delegate of DPRK said before, up until now, the actions of every other nation, specifically the United States of America and other allies of this nation state, have always been taking aggressive action against Korea, DPR Korea through military rehearsals and other similar, let's say, actions. What we propose and what we would believe was something better is to provide the DPR Korea with more friendly diplomatic solutions such as cooperation through loans, through, let's say, trade, and to, let's say, give them a way, give them a solution so as to become as, let's say, responsible and as able to attend the NPT and the IAEA regulations on their own, without having an army threatening them the whole time. Thank you.
Motion to follow up.
That is definitely grounded. Are there any points in the House? Russian Federation, you bear the mic.
Doesn't the delegate of Nigeria agree that we have to respect DPR Korea's right to decide on its own for its future with no Western intervention?
Of course we respect that, and surely it is also something that the United Nations itself respect among every nation. And we should also, of course, mention the fact that every nation does not also have the right to be, let's say, free to do whatever it wants within its borders, but it should also have some responsibilities to other nations, and to the United Nations itself as an organization. And in order to achieve that, we should help them through the things that I've mentioned before, in order to be more able and more, let's say, and less reluctant to join international organizations such as the NPT and the IAEA, and many more trade and political organizations. Thank you.
We will entertain one more point coming from Brazil.
That delegation of Nigeria, at least the delegation of Brazil, the 2 months are enough in order to shut down the nuclear reactors in DPRK.
As I mentioned before, as we, the delegation of Nigeria and many other delegations mentioned before, an action in order to try to shut down all and any nuclear plants and weapons of DPRK will be very risky to the humans in this area, as well as in other nations, as well as bloody if the situation takes greater, let's say, if the situation worsens at a greater extent. What we said before is that the absolute denuclearization of DPRK is not a wise action. It is not a wise action for the well-being and the happiness of every human and in every nation, due to everything that we have mentioned before. What we said is that we should help the DPRK with our actions to comply and be less reluctant to, let's say, for example, in the matter that you mentioned right now, join the IAEA or the DPD once again, through our actions, of course. Thank you.
Could you please give the floor to the chair?
Of course, I give the floor to the chair and the president. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, we'll now move to an open debate. Whoever wants to take the floor and speak either in favor or against the resolution as a whole can take the floor. Are there any delegates?